Good morning. Thank you for joining me today. This is going to be a really quick video. If you have not already seen the video on the equal sign, that's the one that you need to really watch for this Unit 9, Day 22. It'll also go with Days 23 that you'll be doing next week. So, okay, let's get to it. So, for this week, for your Day 22 that's going to be due this week, you would have watched the equal sign video, and then you are going to have to figure out whether an equation is either true or false. If it is a true equation or a false equation. So let's take a look at that. So let's say you have this equation down here, 13 plus 5 equals 18. You can use whatever math strategies you would like so you can figure out if that is true or not. So I'm going to use a number line, okay? So if I use a number line, if I start at 13, if I add 5 to it, do I reach the 18? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me make sure I counted correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I ended at the 18th. So that is a true equation because 13 plus 5 equals 18, which 18 equals 18. Remember, the value on one side of the equal sign must be the same value on the other side of the equal sign to be true. So this is 18 equals 18. Is that a true statement? Yes, it is. So we're going to take this whole equation and we're going to write it up here under true. Now, the paper that you get this week will look like this. It'll have the true, false, and they have the equations at the bottom. You may go ahead and cut these out and glue them up to the true or false, wherever they are, or you can just write the equation under true or false, whichever one is easier for you. Okay, so let's go to the second one. 16, let me erase my number line first. Okay, so 16 minus 4 is 11. So if I start out at the 16 and I subtract, hop 4 backwards, 1, 2, 3, 4. Do I, and I stopped at 12, do I stop at, ooh, this says 11. So is this a true statement or a false statement? This is telling me I know that 16 minus 4, I just did it. So that is 12. What this is saying is 12 is equal to 11. Is that a true statement? No, it is not a true statement. So I'm going to write this equation under false. 16 minus 4 equals 11. That is a false statement, a false equation. Okay, and that is all you will have to do for that Day 22. Okay, thank you so much for joining me and have a great weekend.